Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. And today I will be testing the final fragrance, Brambleberry. This is Brambleberry's Fierce type. It's a duplication of the Fierce from Abercrombie and Fitch. And it's a man's cologne. It smells like a man's cologne. So what I decided I would do is do 2 layers of an in the pot swirl. Since this does allegedly discolor purple, it's a very light purple, I'm just going to go with it. So my colors will be white, purple, and black. And the fact that the discoloration is very, very light, I really think I'll be able to cover it up with titanium dioxide. At least I'm hoping. So the bottom half will be an in the pot swirl with activated charcoal in white. And the top half of this pot swirl will be white and Nurture Soap's Purple Vibrance, which is my go-to when I want just a nice bold purple. I think that's enough. Give me a minute to get this mixed up and I'll be right back. Okay, our soap batter is emulsified and now it's time to work on the bottom layer. So I have my white for the accent. This will be for the black. And let's get some titanium dioxide into this. And I have quite a good bit mixed up, actually more than I need for this small amount. I hope I don't get glycerin rivers, but I want to try to overcome the darkening. It supposedly turns a light purple, and I'd like to hopefully keep it nice and bright. So here's our white, just to give it a quick stir. And now let's get our black, which will definitely cover up the darkening. Of course, this is my favorite activated charcoal from Nurture Soap. So we will stir this up. And let's get our fragrance in. User reviews and Brambleberry say it behaves well. So I'm pretty confident that it will. And I'm going to stick blend it just a little bit. I've kind of gotten away from that, but I want to make sure these are mixed really well. And an in the pot swirl is a pretty fast pour. And once again, I know I can use this whole bottle. So we'll save that for the top layer in our frosting. Now that kind of yellowed it. Wow. Gee, I hope that covers that up. Of course, I haven't stick blended it yet. And TD, as we all know, has to be stick blended to really get the most out of it. So here we go. That's still kind of off-white. Okay, and we'll just drop that in. Scrape the excess out so none of it goes to waste. And let's get this in our mold. And it is behaving beautifully, so that's got to sit for quite some time, so I'll be back. Okay, now it's time to do our purple and white in the pot swirl. So let's get our TD into this. Stir. Let's get our purple vibrance into this one. Give it a good stir and see what it looks like. And yeah, looks great like I knew it would. I love this purple vibrance. It's my favorite purple of all of them. And let's hand stir our fragrance in. And it does behave well. It took several minutes for that to set up. So once again, I know I can use this whole bottle. And it did turn this purple funky color, but I'm hoping that that will come back when the soap saponifies. But we'll find out tomorrow. Yeah, that really, and the oil's clear. That really turned that kind of yellowish. Alright, let's give this a quick buzz to emulsify it and help it set up a little faster. Pour that in from up high to let it pierce down. Let's get this into our mold. And while I was waiting for this to set up, I went ahead and added a gold mica line, since this is supposed to be a bougie man soap, a classic man soap. So here we go. And once again, I'm doing this just for one, it's satisfying, but another, it just kind of levels everything out, flattens the top. I am going to pipe this, and since the fragrance is behaving very well, I will put it in the frosting. And I'm planning to do a two-tone. I'm going to do black and purple two-tone frosting. So I will be back when I'm ready to frost. Okay, it's time to cut our soap, and I think the end result's going to be a good one. Some of that funky morphing did resolve itself. The purple's back to its nice purple. So let's just cut into it and see what we have. On this side there's more white, which does have a little bit of the purple, kind of purplish, which Brambleberry said it would. So let's just see. That's different. Not exactly what I expected. Well, I guess technically it really is, and that's the end piece. Got a really prominent mica line. Yeah, actually that's what I was expecting, and the two-tone frosting looks good. So that is what I have for this week. And overall, pretty pleased with it. Especially the two-tone frosting. So thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. And you all stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. And I'll see you next week. Bye.